Kublai pi baru kini kilongki kubor bam dekesengi. Ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kelalong keslem puli beningkong hakilum keri bandrong ya kalamari India ka Jrong shispa sanpo pun kabala ai ngobha da ka DK Flag Foundation. Ya kalama la rong da Dr. Rakesh Bakshi bat ki NCC cadets jong ka USTM ka Jing kala sakhiru ya ka jingtem jing idri da ka Meghalaya Police Band bat ka SFS School Girls Band. Habakran hagani kasngi Dr. Bakshi ula ong ba ula jit ya ka USTM namar ka pen ya ka jinglong kum ka jinglong hong ka discipline bat ka jing shakri ya ka ri. Na kaliang uchan sala ma bubul hog ula ai kublai ya ka DK Flag Foundation ka bla jit ya ka USTM ban penyang ya ka ni ka Lama ri ka Jrong tam hagani ka tan.
Be here standing, things that I have never been able to experience in my life. I hope this would not be the last, and I hope many flags like this fly all across our state. It is a matter of great pride, especially for me. If I drive by Shillong, drive by Dhankiti, and go to Barik Point, you will see our flag, even in Shillong. And every time I drive by on a day where I'm not rushing for my duties, and I look back and I see the flag, it's a matter of great pride and remembering the sacrifices that people have made and for the country.